and hot. What is up, Bomb Squad? Welcome to the BurnDown YouTube channel. So today is a very exciting day. We're going to do an unboxing, and I want to share with you guys and show you what you get when you order a MAHLE Power Pack piston set. So full disclosure, MAHLE sponsors me. They've been friends of the channel for a long time, but they jumped on board with the MAHLE in the last couple Dragon Drives that we went to. I haven't really had to ask them for much, and I was kind of hoping to build a backup motor, a different motor, you know, while my car ran, so we'd have a bullet ready to go and kind of maybe change some things up or whatnot. Well, racing happened, and I broke the block and basically, you know, watched that dream go down the toilet. But we're rebuilding, we're coming back, and they're the first sponsor to send me some goodies, and this is going to go hand in hand with the rotating assembly that's coming later. So let's jump in on here, and we will open these things up. So it comes in a box. It says caution, machine parts. So hopefully Ace Ventura is not delivering your packages where you live, and they take care of you on that. But what I'm going to say, let me open this before I say it so I don't look like an idiot. Yep, it's exactly what I thought. They double box these things, and that does help with that. But if you have Ace Ventura delivering your parts, you need to hope that he's not working on the day these come, because these are nice pieces and you don't want to feel golden kicked around and all that other stuff as I struggle to take them out, right? Okay, so we'll get that one out of the way. So here they are. Molly Motorsports Power Pack Performance Pistons. So these are for an LS application. I believe they sell them for other things. I'm an LS guy. If you're watching this, you're probably an LS person as well. And the one thing that I like about these, I'm gonna open these up. We will pull one of these guys out here. Look at these things. So these are awesome. Let's open one up. I guess what I can do is, let me show you how they're packaged for those of you. Pull you off the stand and see if we can get this thing to work properly. So there you are. That's how they come in the box. And then we'll open each one of these and I'll kind of show you. But yeah, obviously we're a V8. Here's the pistons, and that's how they come neatly packaged. Double box, rock and roll. So let me open one of these up and we'll show you guys. So this thing is rad. So it has the skirt coating on both sides. It looks like there's some other coating actually on this piston. And then you've got your grooves. And then these ones, you'll notice on my other one, it was a stroker application and the pin was actually up in the ring pack. This one is not. Yeah, and you can see where the coating didn't touch. So these are actually coated as well. And then we've got ourselves a nice flat top piston, hopefully get a little more compression. We are building a 6-liter. So this is a 4 inches is a standard bore piston. We have a block that's in good shape. So we are just going standard on that. And then here's what I like about these as far as, you know, pistons are concerned. Well, you got some Molly Motorsport stickers. Those will definitely go on the trailer and in the car. Here's your instructions. So when you put the rings on these come with rings, which is the big game changer. So look, here's a good picture of it. When you order pistons and you're looking around for these and you go, oh, well, I'm gonna get these ones because they're cheaper, make sure they have rings, because a lot of them don't. And then if you're buying rings, then you got to get rings for the pistons, and it's a whole ordeal. This gives you everything you need to be rock and roll. So like I said, there's 2 boxes here, then this one's lighter, so I'm assuming that this is the box with the rings. So here you go. Here is all the rings that you're going to need. Oil rings, your top ring, and then your bottom ring, right? So all of these are here. Look, at they're labeled, and like I said, it has the instructions over here on which way they go. So when you're filing them down, they are file fit, so you are gonna have to take your time or send these to the machine shop to a professional to have it done. And then this other box here, this is going to be your pins. I pull one of these little dudes out of here. So there you go. I'm not gonna get it all greasy with my fingers and stuff, because these actually need to go in a motor. But these are the pins, full floater, and then they have the clips in this little bag here. And then these are the little guys that go flying, bing, and then you're like, oh man, never finding that ever again. So they got your clips, pins, rings, all of it And then these are a forged piston. So these are nice and sturdy. These are gonna support all the horsepower that the Malibu is gonna make. And I can't be happy enough to have Molly on board. So what we'll do is we'll try to kind of go over some of the stuff. Maybe on the install, we'll get you guys some pictures. We will keep it updated and posted on Instagram and then Facebook. And then I have a new Facebook group called the Bomb Squad that is dedicated to drag and drive. So this is a great piston. It's a great value for the money, in my opinion. It is a trusted brand. And I like to go with stuff. Sometimes when you're on a budget, you got to think about, you know, is it a buy once, cry once situation? I mean, if you always scrape the bottom of the barrel and go with the cheapest stuff, sometimes that's exactly what you end up with. But again, bang for buck for this application, it's pretty hard to beat, in my opinion. So go check out Molly Motorsports. We'll leave links for you guys. And then what I'll do is we'll put a link on the screen, or at least a place where you guys can go see the applications for your particular motor. And we'll keep it in the LS family because that's kind of what I know. If you start asking big blocks and all that other stuff, small block, I'm not that guy, but I know that Molly's got you covered for that as well. So you're gonna have to ask them. But if you have any questions on these, reach out to Molly, and if you feel like it, you can ask me. And if I don't know the answer, I will find it for you. So yeah, please go support Molly. They support me. They support Drag and Drive. So they have been fantastic, wonderful to work with. They're always encouraging. They love the motorhome. Now they love the Malibu, and then hopefully they're gonna love Malibu 2.0 even more. Till next time, you guys know what to do. I'm out.